Hello, I'm Joelle. In 2024, I was laid off, and since then, I've started over. I became a digital nomad and began building a life that I truly love. But here's the thing about starting over. Most people think starting over means starting from scratch or starting from ground zero. But in reality, are we really starting over? It's really about evolving, it's about building on everything we've already been through. So for me, I have been refired, I'm pivoting, and I'm stepping into a new chapter. And some days it feels like a whole new book with new characters and a plot twist I never saw coming. But every part of my past has equipped me for this moment, and so I'm ready. The discipline that I learned from going in and reporting into corporate America for almost 2 decades, the relationships that showed me who I am with or without them, the budgeting, the sacrifices, the wins, the losses, all of that is the foundation that I'm building on right now. And so my past taught me who I am. And because of that, I can now truly build a life that aligns with me, that is true to me. It's outside of the norm. It's not boxed in to what society has led me to believe or has once programmed me to believe that should be the life for me. And so, I've changed my perspective even. I'm always like, the layoff happened for me, not to me. And so it's like everything is happening for me, not to me. Good things are happening for me. Good things are happening to me. I am deserving of the life that I desire. I say those things all the time. And so I don't know who needs to hear this, and it may be for you. If you are starting over, know that it is a beautiful thing. Know that you are deserving. You are equipped. You have everything you need to start over. A closed door is redirection. And for me, it was God's redirection, because the direction that my closed door led me to is one I would have never taken if that door wasn't closed and stuff. Just wanted to encourage you and let you know that you got this. You are equipped. You got this. I got this. We got this. We are a community. So be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with anyone that may be starting over, that you know may be starting. And also, if you have any questions or want to share how starting over has changed you, let me know in the comments, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. But until then, I hope you know that you are deserving of the life that you desire. You are deserving of the life that you dream of, because you really are, and I hope you know it.